Okay, friends, open your camera. Then you can see there is no level indicators. You can see here my front cam, and there is no level indicators. Okay, and open your settings. Select camera from the left side. You can swipe up, then see camera, open it. Okay, then you can see the option of level. Just turn on that. Now go to camera application. Okay, and then you can see there is an option of level. So in this way you can easily identify the level. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial, and it is very useful whenever you are recording with a landscape video. You can simply adjust the level. Again, not adjusting, I can understand which level is that. Okay, so that's guys very simple tutorial. If you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos, so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.